Welcome to the best picks. The best jerry can spout is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for anyone using jerry cans. Whether you're fueling up your equipment, storing emergency water, or handling other liquids, the right spout can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the world of jerry can spouts, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. CM Concept Spill-Free Spout and Vent Replacement Kit. This kit features a unique long, angled design. It allows for easy, spill-free filling of your lawn mowers, vehicles, and boats. It makes pouring much easier. The included filter screen and flame arrestor keep debris and dirt out. It also prevents vapors from escaping the can. This helps keep things clean and safe. A push-in vent is included for faster and safer emptying. You can use the existing hole or drill your own. This feature speeds up the process. Designed in the US for US cans, it includes 2 base caps for maximum compatibility. It fits many popular brands. Please check the details to make sure it fits your can. The product comes with a 1-year warranty against defects under normal use. US support is also available. You can use it with confidence. Each kit includes a flexible spout, spout cap, O-ring gasket, filter screen, 2 base caps, and a push-in vent cap. 2 kits are included in the package. It has everything you need. What we like. This kit features a spill-free design, ensuring no messy fuel spills. It's also designed for maximum compatibility with various can brands, making it a versatile choice. Plus, the included vent and filter enhance safety and cleanliness. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile solution for your fuel cans, this is a great option. What people say. The spout is well designed and fits perfectly. It works great and is easy to use. The product is exactly as described and works perfectly. Number 4. Stens 765-510 Fuel Can Spout Kit. This is the Stens 765-510 Fuel Can Spout Kit. It's designed for use with Midwest can containers. This kit is a great replacement part. This kit is CARB approved. It's designed to meet the highest standards for safety and performance. It features a fast flow rate. This allows you to fill your containers quickly and efficiently. The kit has an automatic stop feature. This helps prevent spills and overfilling. It is leak-proof. You can be confident that it will keep your fuel secure. This product comes in black. It is designed to be a reliable and long-lasting replacement. This product adds a great value. It is a must-have for anyone who uses fuel containers. What we like. This spout kit is CARB approved, ensuring compliance with environmental standards. It offers a fast flow rate, saving you time during refueling. Moreover, it's designed to be leak-proof, providing peace of mind. If you prioritize environmental compliance and efficient fueling, this is the one for you. What people say. This new design did the same 5 gallons in 2 minutes 25 seconds, beating the claim on the packaging that these are up to 2.5 times faster. There is a red safety latch that needs to be depressed for fuel to dispense. At least when new it is easy to depress that, and it then stays in the unlocked position. Unlike the original spout, this replacement spout can be stored inside the can and the red cap can be used to keep dirt and debris out. Number 3. Flexible Jerry Can Spout Nozzle for Wavian and VALPRO. This is one of our best-selling spouts. It is designed to fit Wavian and VALPRO European spec NATO jerry cans. It's built durable in Europe, meeting NATO military quality standards. Manufactured in Europe to meet NATO military specifications, this spout features metal construction. It also includes a flexible plastic nozzle, allowing for pouring at any angle. The finish is olive drab green. The rapid pour internal air vent ensures extremely fast pouring. You won't experience any glugging with this spout. It's designed for efficiency. If you notice any leaks, the most common issue is a mis-seated or not fully secured clamp. Make sure it's properly attached. This will solve most leak problems. This spout is also commonly sold under part numbers GJC002-170.200.00 or GE1002. You might find it listed under these different names. It's the same great product. What we like. This spout is built to NATO military specifications, guaranteeing durability and reliability. It features a rapid pour design with an internal air vent for fast and smooth pouring. The metal construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. If you like a robust and efficient spout for your jerry cans, consider this. What people say. It fits perfectly and seals well. The spout is well made and durable. It is easy to use and works great. Number 2. Scepter Fuel Can High Flow Spout. This high-flow spout is designed specifically for Scepter 5-gallon plastic military fuel cans. It allows for faster and easier fueling. This is a must-have accessory for your fuel can. The spout features an easy thread nozzle, making it simple to attach and detach. It has a built-in filter to keep fuel clean. The dust cap ensures the spout stays clean during storage. You can choose from 2 sizes and lengths to fit your needs. The spout is 3/4 OD and 12 long. Make sure it fits your fuel can. The design includes a built-in fuel strainer and a dust cap for storage. This helps to keep your fuel clean and the spout protected. It's all about convenience and durability. The leak-free and hand-tight design ensures fast fueling without spills. It is easy to use and provides a secure seal. This design saves you time and prevents mess. This product is proudly handmade and assembled in the USA by a veteran-owned small business. You are supporting American craftsmanship and a small business. What we like. This spout is specifically designed for Scepter 5-gallon plastic military fuel jugs, ensuring a perfect fit. It includes a built-in fuel strainer and dust cap for added convenience and protection. The hand-tight design allows for quick and easy fueling. If you have Scepter military fuel cans, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Threads fit perfectly and works great. No more funnel. The flexible spout is a lot better than the original spout that is very stiff. Item showed up as expected and threads right on smoothly. Haven't used it yet to fuel but appears to be as designed. Number 1. Jerry Can Spout for 5-gallon gas cans. Introducing the Jerry Can Spout, designed for 5-gallon military and blitz gas cans. This spout is a must-have for anyone needing to refuel their equipment. This spout is specifically designed to fit unleaded fuel tanks. It ensures a secure and efficient transfer of fuel, making it easy to use. Made with stainless steel, this spout is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use. The Jerry Can Spout includes a gasket and cap for a complete and secure setup. This ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and spills. The flexible design of this spout makes it easy to use in various situations. It provides the user with greater control and convenience during refueling. What we like. This spout is constructed from stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It's designed to fit unleaded fuel tanks, making it suitable for various applications. The included gasket and cap provide a secure and leak-proof seal. If you are looking for a durable and reliable spout, this is a great option. What people say. Fits perfectly on can we've had for years. Excellent gasket and cap on nozzle to keep dirt out. Fit like a glove and has no leaks. Well made and fits great, highly recommended. An inexpensive nozzle which fit my US-style blitz cans perfectly. The gasket seals tightly to the can and minimal drippage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.